Oh! What?
What in cousin fucking tarnation, Alabama Betty Crocker?
Put it on the edge and then. Wow.
What is? Oh my God! What the fuck?
Reduce your expectation.
I'm feeling
That's what I'm talking about. If you're a chubby guy and you can't bend over.
Actually never seen a flagger
It's your turn.
sit in his truck and do it this way. It's kind of